Hello, traders. Coming back here in the weekly analysis, and before starting to make the analysis of the daily chart, I'd like to ask you to click the like button. So it's important to me because I'm trying to get back to the to get more frequent on the videos, and I think that is if you find valuable, please click the like button and share it with anyone else. I'm not looking for having a YouTube earnings here or whatever, but this is really good motivation for me. So enjoy the video, and if you like it, please click the like button. Thank you. Hello, traders. Weekly review, and then it's kind of continuation that we did last week, and in terms to analyze what is really happening right now in SAP, especially in ES using NinjaTrader right now. So it's important that we can always observe what the market is doing in terms of price actions. Price action is basically that, so we can really see what is the behavior and try to match the behavior that currently we're seeing, right? So we say last week that the market was failing in L1. This is an L1. It's going down. It's 21 and fell, going below 224 and fell, and below to 27 and fell, and then here going below to 36 and fell. Then this one leg fell, making a new high here, right? L1 fell, L1 again fell, and then here we have a channel line here, two heights, one, two, three. It's a wedge top, and then I was saying to the people that we can really take a look at what's really happening, because we might this is a decision point here when we have this doji yesterday, on Friday, sorry. Below this we should have sellers, aggressive sellers here, looking for making a couple of legs down, or at least the first leg, and then the pullback and double top in order to go down, at least try to test this low here, this 242 and then 5758. But what happened yesterday, and this is something that we need to really prove what is really happened below this low is, see what's going on. So do we have sellers? Do we have buyers? But what we had was buyers and close a bar like this. This is a really nice bar. So what could happen for today and the week? So we're just starting the week, right? So we still have 3 days, 4 days, counting with today. And remember that we have a channel, right? And this is a tight channel because we have just correction in L1s, so we don't have pullbacks in L2, so we don't have two legs so far. This is a tight channel. This is really one of the most difficult channels to trade because sometimes we expect to have two legs now, and then we got an H2, and we're kind of more easy. But in this case, you might have to try to some trades below bars, which is really hard to get. You need a level expertise that it's not so comfortable to do it because you need to have a huge stop. So if, for example, if you take this below, do 45, it's in the middle of this leg. So right, so it's really hard to get it. You need to put your stop here below, and if you get this below this low, or you fade this bar, is still in the middle. So it's really hard to structure trade using this kind of setups in tight channels, right? If we see the trading range, the high, the big trading range that we have here, we are in the top one third. So it's not so, you know, it's likely that we might have eventually a big bar down, right? So it's we can take some surprises because we're high on that trading range. But taking out that in terms of pattern, here we have the Friday bar coming from this L1 buy, right? L1 buy. This is L1. It was a buy, very good buy, starting with urgency, and then closing almost in the high, right? So failing again in the channel line, but that's normal, right? We have one, two, three, four, five, six failing. Well, but this bar is really telling you that this most likely to have trading range bar or a bull bar coming, likely following up. The thing here is that we are in a channel line high, and then this could be the start above this bar, the start of the start of the final push up as per this will be a wedge fail breakout. So if we have follow through of this bar today, and this is a scenario for today and for the rest of the week, if we have followed through above this bar, we have bulls above this bar, then we might have acceleration up a bar like this, that this breakout here. So we can have good acceleration up. We have an ATR of 93 points. So we are right now in the high in 60 to 47. We might look for 600 easily, right, in the coming days, or even 650. But again, we also have a lot of room within this channel. We can even extend this line right, and you can see that we are probably, if we are looking for this exhaustion target here, that's the target that we have for this leg, then we are within, yeah, we are right now within the channel. So it's likely to happen if we have that follow through and that and they break out. So for today, one thing that could happen is we still need to see, right? So this is a bar, this is a good bar. Let's say, I don't know if this is we can say that this could be a breakout bar. It's not so big, right? So, but the half of the bar is above the channel line, which is good, okay? But what we're looking for is that we need to see this this tested, because usually when we have a wedge failed setup, a breakout, this is a low probability event. It's coming down, it's coming back to test the breakout point. This is a breakout point. So we can have a test here in 6025, 27, and then move on, right? But is this, but this if the bulls are really aggressive, they're not gonna fill out today this gap here, or this breakout point. Okay, so if the bulls are aggressive, we might have just a follow through of this 253 up. Okay, plenty of room to get this target 62022. And I think that in a couple of weeks that are coming, we might have that testing happening. So market is always in long. So when the market is always in long, we need to think on make short trades on selling in the short. We need to think on that. When we are going below bars, it's a good place to exit, because we might have, as the market is doing in the daily chart, buyers below bars, buyers in the 50%, buyers and buyers. So in the gaps, we might have buyers. So it's so for us, when we market is always in long, you can take trades for swing on the bull side, and scalps in the bear side. That's basically video for today. Don't forget, guys, and please click your like button and also subscribe for the ones that didn't so far. Okay, thank you very much. Good trades. Go for green.